Greetings, it's Keisha, and today we're going to be talking about data at rest, data in use, and data in transit. Imagine you're preparing for an international trip. You download your travel itinerary to your laptop, open it to check your flight details, and later send that information to someone you're traveling with. What you may not realize is that your data has just moved through 3 different states, and each state requires a different security strategy. Okay, now let's follow that travel document and see what happens. Data at rest. The itinerary is saved. First, I download my itinerary and save it to my laptop. At this point, the information isn't actively moving. It's simply stored on my device. This is data at rest. Now, if my laptop is lost or stolen, someone may try to access the information. That's why data at rest can be protected using encryption, strong authentication, access controls, and secure backups. Later, I open the itinerary to check my flight details. My device is now actively accessing and processing that information. That is data in use. Because the information is actively being used, the security strategy changes. We now have to think about authorized access, malware, and whether the device itself is secure. Now let's think about protection. Access controls, multi-factor authentication, endpoint protection, and updated software can help protect data while it's being used. Data in transit. I send the itinerary. Finally, I send my itinerary to the person I'm traveling with. The information is now moving from my device across a network to another device. This is data in transit. Now imagine I'm sitting in an airport using public Wi-Fi. Because my data is traveling across a network, interception becomes a greater concern. This is why encrypted connections and secure protocols are so important. Technologies such as HTTPs and VPNs help protect information while it travels across the network. So think about that travel document. When I saved it, it was data at rest. When I opened it, it became data in use. And when I sent it, it became data in transit. The information didn't necessarily change, but its location and activity did. And so did the security strategy needed to protect it. The next time you save, open, or send information, ask yourself, where is my data right now? And how is it being protected? Thank you for taking the time to learn with me. Miracles and blessings.